Hi everyone, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a fun collaboration video with BeeBeeCrafts, and I had the opportunity to play with the items. I did do a haul video and my experience with shipping, and I'll leave that link down below. Like I said in my previous video, their product shipping was super fast. I'm talking lightning speed. And I was really super thrilled with the items that I received. So I'm going to just show you some of the stuff that I made. So today I'm going to show you some of the tassels and what I did with the tassels. Again, so many different colors. I just stored my pieces in this Dollar Tree container. I like to see what I'm going to pull. And again, they were individually wrapped. So pretty and darling. And then the other item that I did use were these key rings with lobster clasps, and they had the most darling little pearl dangle. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun with these, and I can't wait to show you what I created. So, in my projects, I did use the vinyl, and I did do a haul video. I purchased this on Amazon, and I'll leave that link down below as well. I love this vinyl, and I was so excited to play with this. I did also use, I joined the Snap button wagon, and I did purchase this item on Amazon. There's so many different colors. I totally was so inspired, and I wanted to make something with this new vinyl. So I created some really fun pieces. So here is this little keychain, dangle, hanger thingy, whatever you want to call this, that is so ready to go. I did create this little tassel charm, if you want to call it. I did use 3 different tassels to kind of make it a little fun and give it a little color, right? And then I put this on some wire, put some fun wood beads on it, and then for this part I did cut some of that vinyl and then added a snap. So this is removable, but I wanted to make a strap because, you know, this is such a cute little gift that you can give to someone, your pen pals, your friends, your family. This is a universal keychain. So they can put their keys on here, you can hook it onto your pants or purse. This little vinyl, I mean, it's so shiny and so fun. And let's see what else. I also just made a whole bunch of fun dangly charms. Again, using that vinyl strap, I did add vinyl straps to all of my pieces only to, I don't know, I just thought it was just so fun. This I did do a little chain. I added a little chain. Let me just see. Sorry, it's so hard to show. A little chain, and then I did add some charms on this. This is a resin piece I created. This is a charm that I purchased off Ali. I did a little dangle, wire wrap dangle with some Prima pearls. And this W is one of the resin pieces I made recently. And this is so ready to go, and like, it's just so pretty and fun. I mean, I just have a tendency to keep playing with it, and it is a fun piece to just give to your pals, right? So I made that one, and then I made a little fun dangly as well. I added a puffy heart only because I have a bajillion of these, and I put a little eyelet in it. This is a patch, but I wanted to make a charm and hang it on the ends. I did add some fun dangles. This is a bow, pearl bow, another resin piece that I made. This is a resin A that I've made. I've made a little dangle with these chunky beads, and my fun little dangly keychain. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to make these for my friends. I mean, it's just another way to incorporate all those charms and beads that you have in your stash. It's just an easy way, and the vinyl strap alone is just killing me. I'm loving that look. And then I just made one more dangle. This is a book that I've created. I will do a video. I'm planning to give this for my giveaway, but I don't want to give it away too much. But I've added a dangle that I've made. I just put it on the book. I'm contemplating punching a hole and putting an eyelet to put this inside, but hanging from the book side, I thought it was so cute. And then if my pal, after I hang it, decides to use it for their personal use or not, it's up to them. So I did make this chunky tassel charm using my tutorial. I made a tutorial on how to make these, and I will link that down below. I used some of the Dollar Tree trim and some fuzzy kind of yarn, baby yarn, and I just wanted to make something really chunky and full to hang from my book. This is a bow charm that I made on a Zoom call with my crafty friends. And then I just added a little dangle on the top. And again, such a cute little piece. It's so fun and fluffy, and I just want to pet it all day. But again, these lobster clasp key rings really made it easy peasy. And my pals, they can either, take it, put it on their handbags, or if they want to, they can use it as a key ring. I mean, I wouldn't use this one, but definitely this one. Totally put my keys on this. Use it. It is the funnest key ring ever. You add all your little fun dangles. You give this to your pal. I mean, the vinyl strap alone is so cute. And there's so much you can do with this. If you want a tutorial on the vinyl strap, let me know. Otherwise, there's tons of videos on YouTube. It's really just punching a hole to secure the strap in. And that is it for my video today. I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.